Bumili tayo ng napakalupit na power bank and I'm excited to show it to you.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, turn around now, turn around now. I just wanna have fun, turn around now, turn around now. I just wanna turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just
So this is the Anker 27,650 milliampere hours power bank. And yes, tama yung pagkakarinig ninyo. Yun yung capacity nito, 27,650 milliampere hours. And I think that explains a lot when it comes to its size na medyo malaki. As you can see, it's a little bit chunky. And pagdating sa kasya to sa bulsa nyo, pero I think medyo magiging bulky. Meron din siyang weight. When I say meron siyang weight, medyo mabigat siya than your normal power bank. But then again, I think that's because of that capacity. 27,650 milliampere hours. Its output, it's 240 watts max. So, yan yung max pagka yung tatlo na tong port yung pinag-usapan natin. Hindi yung isang port is 240 watts. You cannot get that. Ang maximum nito na port, parang power output is just 140 watts doon sa USB-C. Now, kapag gagamitin nyo siya ng kung isa or dalawa or tatlong ports lang, medyo magiging magkakaiba yung output niyan. Pero, there will always be a 140 watts na output sa isang USB-C, whether it's one parang port lang gagamitin nyo, dalawa or tatlo. Yung USB-A, kung single port lang, that's gonna be 65 watts. Single and double ports yung gagamitin nyo, 65 watts. Pero kapag tatlo yung ginagamit nyo, this is just gonna be 18 watts, no? Itong USB-A dito. Now, having said that, as you can see, there are 3 ports. So, meron kayong tatlong devices na pwedeng i-charge ng sabay-sabay. This one here is meron siyang display, as you can see. And it will tell you kung ano pa yung capacity nung power bank, kung ilan pa yung laman niya, and then kung ano yung mga ports na gumagana rin at the same time or kung ano yung may nakasaksak. And then there's a button here that you can see here, no, sa side niya, and yung button na yan will help you toggle dun sa mga iba't ibang mga settings na pwede nyong gawin dito sa power bank na to. Now, speaking of settings, pwede nyo ring baguhin yung settings nito and also malaman yung status nito kapag nag-charge yung capacity niya sa app. So, meron siyang mobile app. You can download that sa Play Store. You can also download that sa App Store ng Apple. It's just Anker, the Anker app sa mga Android or iOS devices. And it will give you status nga nito, no? Both yung kapag na-charge and also kapag may china-charge siya and yung iba't iba pang mga settings, which is, I think, a pretty neat feature nitong power bank na to. I have never used a power bank before na may parang app, or maybe hindi lang ako nakapag-store pa ng ibang power bank na may app, but I have never used one. Bakit ko ba binili to? And I think that's one of the reasons bakit kayo bibili ng ganitong klaseng 27,650 milliampere hours. Especially thinking na this is not very cheap, no? Medyo meron tong kamahalan na think it's gonna go above, depende siguro sa websites na mga mapupuntahan nyo. Pero they should be going at least in the regions of 10,000 pesos plus. Parang mga ganyan. Or basta malapit sa 10,000 pesos. Why do you need that power bank? Well, for me, for my use case, no? I have multiple devices and I have of course, you have your phones, dalawa yung phone natin. Then, meron pa tayong cameras minsan, meron pa tayong drone, and meron pa tayong dalawang laptop, isang MacBook Pro and isang Windows laptop. And it's very cumbersome na kapag nagdadala tayo ng charger for that, and iba-iba pa yung mga charger minsan for those devices. And yung power bank na ginagamit natin ngayon is hindi pwede dun sa mga laptops natin. And sometimes may mga situations, lalo na kapag nagta-travel tayo or on the go tayo, nadala natin yung, at least let's say yung laptop natin and yung cellphone natin, na wala tayong access para sa saksakan, so powerbank ka lang aasa. And yung powerbank ko ngayon hindi gumagana doon sa mga laptops ko. Kasi mga laptop kailangan ng medyo mas mataas na output, lalo na yung Lenovo ThinkPad ko na kailangan ng at least 120 watts ata just para mag-charge siya, no? So this solves that problem, no? This one is swak na swak siya sa kailangan ko kasi with this I can charge multiple devices at the same time, and then hindi ako mamroblema sa power output kasi yung power output niya is just enough, no, or even beyond dun sa kailangan ko nga, for example dun sa isa kong laptop, no, yung sa Lenovo ThinkPad natin. Aside from that, yeah, that capacity is big enough for me not to worry na baka pag nag-charge ako ng isang device, ubos na yung charge niya para dun sa iba pang devices natin. So that is just perfect. And then lastly, I think this is a power bank, and I think this is gonna be important to you as well, na pwede mong dalhin sa plane. Well, at least yun yung sabi ng Anker, this is just below yung mga requirements sa plane bago nila sabihin na, hindi na pwede yung power bank ninyo. But I would advise na check nyo rin muna sa airline ninyo na sasakyan kapag may travel kayo para hindi nila kunin to or hindi ipaiwan sa inyo just in case hindi pala pwede. Pero sabi ng Anker, this is just below dun sa limit para sa mga eroplano. So all of those needs that I have, no, sinagot nito. That's why naengganyo tayong bumili nitong power bank na to. Now, you may be curious kung gaano katagal i-charge yung 27,650 mAh na capacity. Sa sobrang laki nun, if you have a charger na hindi fast charger, this is gonna take a long time to fully charge. So luckily, I have a charger na 100 watts yung charging niya. This one here. And pag 100 watts, no, yung parang output niya to charge yung ibang devices, this from 0 to 100% is just a little above or a little over 1 hour, yung from 0 to 100% na fully charged. Now, the good thing about this is yung dalawang USB-C port na yan, pwede nyo yung saksakan ng dalawang charger at any given time, and ang maximum na kaya nitong i-take na power is 170 watts if I'm not mistaken. And kung meron kayong 170 watts total na ipapasok dito na power, you'll just need around below 40 minutes if I'm not mistaken to fully charge this. And then lastly, meron din siya ditong port sa ilalim, or actually mga pins, and the reason why you have this is para sa base plate, or meron tong base na pwede nyong bilhin na para pang charge nito, which is also 100 watt capacity na base charger. Now, I don't have that. You have to buy that separately, and it also is gonna cost you some money. Pero I'm good enough. I have this charger with me na 100 watts capacity. So that's good enough for me to charge this an hour. And yung iba kong power banks, that's also, yun lang din yung, it also take around 1 hour plus para ma-fully charge siya kahit 10,000 milliampere hours lang siya, or 20,000 milliampere hours. So yeah, that's about it, no? When it comes to this power bank, I just really want to talk about it because I bought it and I said, hey, why not show it? No, hindi to sponsored ng Anker, by the way. Hindi rin siya pinadala sa atin ng Anker. Really, I just bought this because I thought this will answer my needs. So this may not be for everybody, but if you are someone na parang may katulad ng use case ko for this power bank, maybe this is worth checking out. Alright? Anyway, dyan na tayo magtatapos. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood, and I do hope you like the video. If you have any questions regarding this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to answer them. If not, probably it's better just to ask Anker. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed pala dito sa channel natin, please do subscribe because it helps our channel a lot. Alright, so maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out!